Guess who's back? That's right, Kingkurri. Good evening, everybody. It is Easter Day on the 24th of April. Happy Easter, everybody. There's only 5 people in here tonight. See your names. See what all you got. There's the box somewhere that I had posted on eBay there. You can check it out on the bottom of your ad. Alright, let's get to it. Good luck, everybody. Four packs. First pack. Excuse me. Here we go. Philly. In harm's way. Montreal. Not numbered. Carolina. Rookie. Zach DePel. Dalpe. Autograph. Numbered 11 out of 40. $4.99. He's number 22. Shit. Blank. Carolina. And Buffalo. Alright, New Jersey. Avalanche. Achievements. 36 out of $4.99 for the Capitals. Nicholas Backstrom. You got Bobby Ryan there. And who has them? Canucks 108. Are you ready for this one? Numbered out of 25. Sidney Crosby. Five out of 25. Nice, nice, nice. We got Buffalo. New Jersey. Calgary. Pittsburgh. And there you go. Heirs to the throne. Zach Bonacino. Last pack. Pretty excited about that Crosby one. That's a really nice card. There you go. We got Montreal. Chicago. Rangers. Number 340 out of 499. Sedin. Blank. And Kevgo. You ready for this one? It's numbered out 11 out of 50. Phil Kessel. Nice looking autograph. Really nice looking box, guys. Alrighty. I want to look at that bonus again. Sidney Crosby. You must be happy there, son, out there. 5 out of 25. Good job. You know who has those ones. Alright, I have a couple more boxes ending there. One ending tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday. Check my eBay out, and have a good night, everybody. Congratulations to everyone.